Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. In previous class we have discussed about the plateau landform. And this plateau landform example village is the Dokur. Dokur village is an example of plateau region. So this Dokur village is in Telangana state. In Telangana state, this Dokuru village is in Mahabubnagar district. In Mahabubnagar district, this Dokuru village is in the Devarakadra Mandal. In Devarakadra Mandal, this Dokuru village situated here. So this is the Dokuru village sketch map. In Dokuru village, habitations is that kacha house, pakka house, schools, community halls and fields, and also here tanks, different transport system, everything is here. This Dokuru village is in the Devarakadra Mandal, and it's around 25 kilometers away from the Mahabubnagar town. The old name of Dokuru village is Dakur. This Dakur word means Dakur name came from the word Daku, which means dacoit. Many years ago, the dacoit groups lived in this area because this area situated with heavy bushes and forest land. Who's the dacoits living here? It is easily hide to them, and also these heavy bushes and forest areas has giving shelter to them, and they are hide in these heavy bushes and forest area. So in the name of Dakur, today this village name is Dokur. In Dokuru village received very less rainfall. Let us discuss about the climate and rainfall of Dokur village. This Dokur village, summer temperature goes up to 40 degrees Celsius in the months of February to June, and the winter months here November to January, and the temperature usually here 20 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius during the winter months. And the June to October, this Dokuru region gets rainfall, and this rain is very scanty here. There is no heavy rainfall in Dokuru village. Here rain is very scanty and irregular. And this rainfall also varies a lot from year to year, and it's unpredictable and unreliable. That's why in this region crops also not grow well, because there is no more rainfall here. During the years of low rainfall, this village has faced the drought situation because of the crops will dry and there is a little rainfall. And also in Dokuru village there is one tank. When this tank filled with water, their groundwater level also will increase. In Dokuru village, people, they are facing difficulties for drinking water, humans and cattle. The drinking water is major problem in Dokuru village because here very scanty rainfall. And also here irrigation facilities also low. That's why the agriculture works also we see in Dokuru village only few. So these are difficult years when people may be forced to look at other options for employment. That's why the most of the peoples in Mahabubnagar district, they are rearing sheep. So it is other employment option of the Mahabubnagar district people. So if continuous scanty inadequate rainfall reaches this region, that situation change this region is a drought prone region. And this Dokuru village also falls in drought prone area. Okay children, thank you very much.